Ladies and gentlemen, male and female, this is part 3 iPhone 6 Plus screen change. As I told you before, I remove the plate on top of the, let's say zoom it a little bit, yeah, that's the front of the screen, and this little loom here is going all the way to the screen, and it's the first one this side. When we want to change it, we must be careful we don't mix it up. It's the first one this side, so I hold it like that so I don't mix up with another one when I put them next to each other like that. So I know exactly where everything goes, so I don't mix them up. So this is, I put them here. The other thing, the plate, this two first one is the bigger screws, and the last one is a little one. It's two, and the third one. So to remember that one. Back to this one, home button. I removed the home button plate. I thought there are different screws, but both of them are the same. So this is the little wire goes to the home button, and I couldn't undo it. I think it's sticky things here. So this is a plug. You remove the plug underneath. Just little force here. I work with one hand. No, I cannot do it with one hand. I do it later. Anyway, I want to just show you the plate. I must remove it later because I don't want to damage this one with one hand. What's happened, the interesting thing about it, I want to remove the plate, but unfortunately the screwdriver they've been provided to us, because they're just cheap stuff, is rounded off. So even it rounded the screws on this plate, it damaged it. You cannot remove it anymore. So when I look at it properly underneath of this one, I don't know if you can see or not, the tip of it, it just could manage to remove few screws and just become pear-shaped, you know. It just is not good enough. So now when I attempt to remove the screws, it doesn't work. So our job stop here. We cannot go further without the screws. Could manage to remove two of these, 1 and 2 here, but the third one I couldn't, and there are few of them here and this side. So the operation ouch, stop here till we get another screwdriver. So even my set, I bought it from the pound shop, it was broken before, so I didn't notice I don't have a Phillips. I got a little what do you call, flat screwdriver, but I don't have a Phillips. So now that's it. I'm stuck up to here. I can tell you, let's see, with the it took me, yeah, here we go, 38:48. Was I enjoyed it? I don't care. I enjoy doing the stuff like that, but the screwdriver, the tools let me down, and I drop another 2 screws on the bottom now, you know, so I must find them. Oh, this is screen. Yeah, oh, yeah, that's the screen. Oh, anyway guys, talk to you later. When I buy tools, I will come back later. Bye.